On the ground, feeling really good, dreaming of me, sitting on the ground, feeling really good.
I like it. It's a beautiful song. Did you write that?
I just made it up.
Yeah, you're a good songwriter. Play it again for me.
No, Mommy.
Sitting on the ground, feeling really good. How does it go? Nice. And what's the song called?
Beckett and Sarah.
Beckett and Sarah. That's beautiful, honey.
And Sarah were doing it, were singing it.
You guys both go to Calhoun, right?
Yeah.
So you're both artists.
Sitting on the ground, feeling really good, dreaming of me. Sitting on the ground, feeling really good.